Alright, good afternoon. This lesson is from our trig pre-calc class. This is going to be lesson 3 for section 3.3 in the book. It'll be a fairly short lesson. Before I get started, I just want to remind you guys that the grade book is current. I had 4 or 5 of you who didn't do the second assignment. Turn in all the assignments. That way you can legitimately make an argument. Hey, look at the situation we were in. I did everything you asked, and do that, and hopefully we can be in a position to have everybody pass my class. All right, so we're gonna finish our lessons on logarithmic properties. We've already seen why the first 2 properties work. Today is a new property. To be honest, this new property is no different than the first property. It's just written in a different way. It looks like it's fairly complicated, but it's really not. What it says is log base b of u to the v power is equal to that power, which, with the power of v times log base b of u. So the exponent just goes in front. And so I'd like to show you very quickly why it does that. So I wrote on the board log base b of u to the v power. Now I very quickly can rewrite this as log base b of u times u times u v times. And in doing so, I'm going to actually have this situation happen because, every time I multiply, I can add together this. So I can actually have this as log base b of u plus log base b of u plus, and I can have it, and I hope I didn't go off the screen. Let me check. Oh, I've just barely fit. So I can have v many of these. This happens v times. So if I was to tell you 5 plus 5 plus 5, you could say I can add them together, or I could look at it as I have 3 of these 5s, right? So I have v of these log base b of u, so it's literally going to become v times log base b of u. So that's a quick validation of the last property, but it's actually what we would call a corollary or a result of something we already know. Now, there's one thing about exponents I'd like to mention. There's a few problems that have fractional exponents. And so let me just add something that'll be helpful for you guys. If I wanted, for example, the square root of, square root of x. What I could do is I could rewrite this as an exponent and say x to the 1/2 power. So you're going to have some problems that say log base something of a square root number. Realize that you can write that as a 1/2. There's something else that'll, I guess that's actually it that I wanted to add. Remember, going from the left side of the equation to the right side of the equation is called expanding. Going from the right side of the equation to the left side of the equation is called condensing. So again, let's make sure we get this assignment complete. I hope that everybody is doing okay out there. Again, if there's any questions on anything, please reach out to me through my email or the Remind app. And again, I hope everyone is doing well and hanging in there. I will post the next assignment on Monday. Have a good weekend, everybody. See you next week.